The scale diagram opposite shows an Eisteddfod camping field. The camping field is 100 metres long and 80 metres wide. A river runs alongside AB. There's a hedge along AD. There is a fence along BC. DC is an opening with access to the Eisteddfod camping field. The scale used is 1 centimetre represents 10 metres. A barbecue area is to be built on the camping field. The barbecue area must be nearer to the river than to the opening of the Eisteddfod camping field, nearer to the river than the hedge, more than 30 metres from the corner of the field where the hedge meets the river. Draw suitable lines on the diagram and shade the region where the barbecue area could be built. So let's have a look at the diagram. Okay. A river runs alongside AB, so that's the river. There's a hedge at AD. There's also a fence at BC, and this is the opening. They're telling me that 1 centimetre represents 10 metres. So if 2 centimetres would be 20 metres, 3 centimetres would be 30 metres. The barbecue area must be nearer to the river, so this is the river, than to the opening to the Eisteddfod camping field. So that means it's nearer to this ruler than it is to that line. So because you've got two lines, you have to draw a line equidistant apart. So because the hedge, it tells me this is the camping field is 100 metres long and 80 metres wide. So half of 80, because it's going to be halfway down, half of 80 is 40. So that means, because 40 metres is 4 centimetres, I'm going to measure the midpoint. Let's check this to scale. Half of 8 is 4. So because half of 8 centimetres is 4, I'm going to put a marker on 4. And I'm going to do exactly the same on this side. Half of 8 is 4. And then I'm going to join them up with a ruler. And that line is equidistant between the entrance and the river. And because they're telling me it's nearer the river, it means when I shade it in, it's going to be below this line. Nearer to the river than the edge. So what I have now is two lines. Nearer to the river and the edge, I need to use something called the angle bisector, which splits the shape with a line up through the middle. So to draw the angle bisector, because A is the common point, I put the compass on A, and I hold it in, and I draw an arc of any side. So an arc, a little arc going from the hedge to the river. From where this meets now, I put a little cross on my 2 points, and then again, I open up my compass and draw another little arc into the middle from the bottom cross. And I'm doing exactly the same from the top cross. So if you didn't see that, I'm doing an arc from the top cross and an arc from the bottom cross. Where they meet now, I draw a line straight up from A, where I done it, going up straight through the points where they meet. And where they meet is telling me it's nearer the river than the edge. So the river is this side of the line. So I know it's going to be below the line. So far, okay, looking at that, it's going to be in this little section here. And we got one more rule. More than 30 metres from the corner of the field where the hedge meets the river. So the hedge meets the river here. So 30 metres is 3 centimetres. So because it's from a point, anything a distance from a point is a circle. So what I need to do is, with a ruler, a compass and a pencil, is measure 3 centimetres. So I'm putting my compass there, putting it on 0, making sure that that is 3. And then what I have to do now is from A, draw part of a circle on the shape. And that part of the circle is 30 metres away. And because it's more than 30, it's going to be that side of the part of a circle. So what the shaded region is, it could be anywhere in between where all these arrows meet. Because it's below the fence, it's below this line, and it's to the right of my part of the circle. So that would be the shaded region there.